Since ancient times, man has strived to protect himself and his treasured possessions. Safety has always been a natural concern down the civilizations. Today, safety has acquired a new dimension in modern industrial workplace because human life is precious and machines are worth millions. Welcome to Shmersal India Private Limited. Step into a world inspired by safety of both man and machine. Explore an enterprise driven by state-of-the-art German technology. We take pride in a 70-year-old legacy of German engineering with presence in around 60 nations and turnover of several hundred million euros yearly sales. The Shmersal Group is a global market innovator in workplace safety. Located near Pune, Shmersal India specializes in manufacturing of high-performance safety products that are crucial for ensuring safety in a client's business operations or end-use systems. Shmersal India is a reflection of this rich corporate heritage as a fully owned subsidiary of the Shmersal Group. Our production facility in Pune resonates with the German innovation and efficiency. Backed by a local R&D division, we develop cutting-edge safety systems and products for industrial applications. Our high-tech plant is spread over 4,000 square meters. Here we make a wide range of safety and electromechanical products that include safe switching and monitoring, automation, lift switchgear. Quality is the bedrock of our business. Stringent quality norms integrate with our workflow and we conduct rigorous quality checks on all our safety devices. Every single product that comes off the line at Shmersal India is symbolic of our legendary commitment to reliability. We also offer consulting and risk assessment services for industries through our service division, Technicum. The specialist in Technicum are TUV certified functional safety engineers who conduct a comprehensive assessment at companies to evaluate their present safety levels. Our products find wide acceptance in almost every industrial sector, from elevators to heavy engineering, food and pharma to packaging. We serve a diverse clientele. A new dawn of progress and growth is breaking over the industrial horizon in India.
The safety of man and machine is indeed a strong foundation based on which the Shmersal India empire stands today. Since its inception, Shmersal India has posted healthy financial growth. It started in 2007 as a trading organization with a couple of engineers. Soon, realizing the potential of the Indian market, Shmersal decided to have its own manufacturing location in MIDC Pune. In 2013, the local manufacturing state-of-art unit was started in Pune. The same unit today also has an export-oriented unit which exports products back to Germany as well as other countries around the world. Shmersal India also established a free trade warehouse zone in Mumbai to cater to those customers who have special import benefits from the Government of India. At the same time, Shmersal also established a local R&D center with the intention to localize the German technology here in India and also to develop local products here for the Indian market. The year 2018 was a revolutionary year where we started the Global IT Center here in India. The IT Center was primarily developed to support the group's ambitious plans of deploying SAP throughout the subsidiaries and manufacturing plants across the globe. Subsequent to the success of the Global IT Center, Shmersal also has decided to have its own engineering center for the global group here in India. This group will cater to the hardware and software needs of the new products and solutions which are proposed to be developed by the group for worldwide deployment. The future is definitely promising. The Make in India initiative by the Government of India, as well as the adoption of safety norms by the Bureau of Indian Standards, is already going to add impetus to the growing safety awareness in the Indian market. Finally, being here for more than a decade, we can say that safety has moved out of the printed instructions manual into the processes and the machines in the industry. And we from Shmersal India pledge ourselves to support the man and machine safety at workplace to create a safe environment for workers at the workplace so that the families back home are happy and safe.
At Shmersal India Private Limited, we reaffirm our commitment to serve the Indian market with the inspiration of turning workspaces into safer places.